You have premium ambition, running on a free trial work ethic, and even your procrastination is impressed by the commitment. Move your...
Oh my gosh. That's awesome. That is so funny. We're going to make an AI that roasts me every morning. Kind of like a good morning pick-me-up, but it's a roast. So the first thing we should do, if you haven't already, is open up Codex. So kind of my timeliner build out is going to be it roasts me, have a voice agent that can talk. Let's go make really good roaster. I'm going to do 8 a.m. That's usually when I start work. So a little pick me up, I guess, before work. Alright, so it's done here. So let's just have it. Let's test the roast. See how good the roast is. I want to really honest. Alright, so let's see how good this one is. You needed an AI scheduled at 8 a.m. to manufacture the disciplinary alarm clock. Couldn't, because apparently even your inner critic got tired of carrying the whole operation. You got a YouTube-sized ambition. Okay. Discipline and execution speed of Windows update stuck at 99%. Game over your code. So now, can we add a voice agent to this? It's saying right now it's going to use Windows voice, which is probably going to be super robotic. Let's see.
Good morning. You built an automated voice to roast you because apparently accountability needed a sound system before you would listen. Your ambition wakes up at 8, your discipline hits snooze, and your excuses have already finished breakfast. Get moving, your future is tired of waiting in the lobby.
Okay, so that was pretty good for... I didn't know it was going to be that good with the voice. The voice sounds okay, but that's funny. All right, let's hear one more.
Good morning. You treat motivation like a missing package, refreshing the tracking page all day while refusing to walk outside and get it. Your goals have heard so many excuses they could testify under oath. Stand up and execute. Your potential cannot keep paying rent for a life you refuse to move into.
Oh, man. Okay, so as you can see, it's working pretty good. I think I didn't expect it to use Windows voice thing, but as like just a beginner friendly thing, that's pretty good. Let's use another voice agent.
New voice, same problem. You changed the narrator as if your procrastination was a casting issue. Congratulations, the excuses now sound different, but the unfinished work still looks exactly the same.
Oh my gosh. That's awesome. That is so funny. So they used Zira, who's, I guess, another voice agent. I wanted to use, can we try 11 labs? Alright, so we need to get 11 while this is going. We need to get a 11 labs key. And we'll take this away for a sec while I log in. So it's just saying now the integration is ready, but the live test needs your API key. PowerPoint, paste your 11 labs key there. Okay, so I need to get API key. So if you've never done this, okay, so we have another issue. So it's saying that we're having, so I need to go to developers API keys, enable, edit your key. Oh, text to speech. Oh. All right, see, good old Codex is my troubleshooter as well. Done.
Good morning. You upgraded to 11 Labs because apparently your excuses needed studio quality production before you would finally hear how ridiculous they sound. You have premium ambition, running on a free trial work ethic, and even your procrastination is impressed by the commitment. Move Your Goals are tired of being background characters in the documentary about everything you almost did.
All right. So there you go. We kind of take it from step by step now to everything kind of worked out. Went from Windows to 11 Labs. So